This is our Technology 3D Printing Project by Maripaz Castillo, Jan Peters, Abigail Rivera, and Renato Villeda. Our choice model is a periodic table in the shape of a honeycomb.
First, we all had different ideas that applied to the sustainable goals, but after several times of researching, we found something that applied even more to the sustainable goals, that was the periodic table, that had the educational part and the science part.
Then we started researching ways to make this periodic table different. So we looked in Thingiverse ways to make it unique, and we found a way to apply it to a honeycomb-based structure. So we started editing each part to be the size and scales we wanted.
Finally, we got each piece on flashpoint so we could edit it and print it. Our first pieces were not so successful, so we had to print it a few times more. But finally, we could get a hexagon and one of the top parts of the honeycomb. We have made several printings that haven't come out so successful. But the important thing is that we have learned a lot from this project, and we hope to apply this in our future. In conclusion, for part 1 of the project, I learned that success is not always natural. We have to work hard and be efficient so we can able to be successful in our parts of the project. And when we finally reached getting a few parts of the project done, we were really happy with the outcome, and we learned a lot from the purpose of our honeycomb periodic table, that is efficiency and education for the children.
In conclusion, for the first part of the project, I learned that this printing will be innovative in schools. This will help learn the basic terms of chemistry. It will help many people around the world learn in a much easier way. I also learned that you have to work hard to get a successful outcome. Although at the beginning it was a little rough, after working with devotion, the work paid off.
During this project, I learned many things. One of them is that group work is very important, and if we don't all work at the same time, we will get our things on time. I also learned about the sustainable goals and how a periodic table fits in perfectly with some of them. Such as the sustainable goals, the periodic table also applies a lot to the student's life, and it can be very handy and useful in some of our courses. And finally, I also learned, as Dan said, that hard work always pays off.
The previous weeks have burned a vast amount of teachings and challenges. What seemed as a painless and achievable project turned out to be a perplexing. It was clear that time management will be absolutely necessary within our project, as well as an effective teamwork. Not only did we gain an expertise when it came to 3D printing, but we also managed to understand and grasp the use of Excel, a program that is used on adult day-to-day basis. Understanding Excel was definitely crucial in our lives, since the majority of us wish to entrepreneur in the following years of our lives. Speaking of which, entrepreneurship was a concept that subconsciously played a huge role in our project. We faced failure, but still grasped to our goal of reaching success and impulse ourselves to continue moving forward. It is clear that a project like this resembles real-life situation, and it is pleasing to know that we will be able to handle stressful scenarios in life like we did with this project.